Bay windows can increase natural light by up to 50%. That's a whole lot of sunshine. These unique window structures project outward from the exterior wall, creating a lovely nook that enhances both the aesthetics and functionality of a room. You see, a typical bay window consists of 3 panes, a larger center window flanked by 2 smaller ones, often angled outward. This clever design isn't just for looks, it's all about maximizing the amount of sunlight that floods into your home. Now you might be thinking, Chip, why all the fuss about natural light? Well, let me tell you, natural light does wonders, and not just for your houseplants. It brightens up your space, making it feel more open and inviting. Plus, it's a natural mood booster. Who wouldn't want a little more sunshine in their lives? Let's talk about how these beauties work. Bay windows are essentially 3-dimensional windows that protrude from the exterior wall of your house. Imagine a box sticking out from your house with windows on 3 sides. That's the basic idea. This outward extension not only adds architectural interest but also creates that cozy nook I mentioned earlier. The angled side windows are key. They allow sunlight to enter the room from multiple directions. This means you get sunshine throughout the day, no matter which way your house faces. That's right, no more dark corners. And because they extend outwards, bay windows actually add a bit of extra square footage to your room. It's like a mini expansion without the major construction. One of the things I love most about bay windows is how they can make a room feel so much bigger and brighter. Homes with bay windows can actually appear 15% larger than they are. It's a neat trick of the eye. Because the bay window extends outward, it pushes the walls of the room further apart visually. This is especially noticeable in smaller rooms where every square foot counts. Suddenly, that cramped dining room feels like a sun-drenched breakfast nook. And because bay windows let in so much natural light, you won't have to rely on artificial lighting as much, which can make a room feel smaller and more closed in. Now let's talk about those views. One of the best things about having a bay window is being able to enjoy a panoramic view of your surroundings. Instead of looking straight ahead at a single pane of glass, a bay window gives you a wider, more expansive view. Imagine sipping your morning coffee in your cozy bay window nook, soaking in the sunrise over your garden, or watching the kids play in the backyard while you cook dinner. Bay windows bring the outdoors in and create a stronger connection with the world outside your home. Believe it or not, bay windows can even improve the ventilation in your home. Since they typically consist of multiple windows, you have more control over airflow. Open the center window and one or both of the side windows to create a cross breeze that will cool down your house on warm days. Good ventilation is important for maintaining healthy indoor air quality. It helps to remove excess moisture, which can lead to mold and mildew, and it can also reduce the concentration of airborne pollutants. Bay windows can actually decrease humidity levels in a room by up to 30%. That's a breath of fresh air, literally. Section 6. Value that shines through. Now let's talk about something near and dear to my heart, property value. Bay windows are a sought-after feature that can increase your home's value by approximately 20%. That's right, these beauties aren't just aesthetically pleasing, they're a smart investment too. Potential buyers love the charm, character, and functionality that bay windows bring to a home. So if you're thinking about selling your home in the future, installing a bay window could be a great way to boost its appeal and get a better return on your investment. Section 7. Finding the right fit. Now, before you run out and start knocking down walls, it's important to choose the right type of bay window for your home. Bay windows come in all shapes and sizes, from small, cozy nooks to grand, multi-window affairs. You'll want to consider the style of your home, the size of the room, and your budget when making your selection. Don't be afraid to get creative. You can customize your bay window with different window styles, grille patterns, and hardware finishes to perfectly complement your home's aesthetic. Section 8. A place to curl up. One of my favorite things about bay windows is how they create such inviting and versatile spaces. A bay window nook is the perfect spot to curl up with a good book, enjoy a cup of coffee, or simply soak up the sunshine. You can add built-in window seats with storage underneath, comfy cushions, and throw pillows to create a cozy reading nook. Or transform your bay window into a bright and airy dining area with a table and chairs. You can even use the space as a mini home office or a play area for the kids. The possibilities are endless. Section 9. Making it your own. Ultimately, the best thing about bay windows is that they add so much character and personality to a home. Whether you prefer a classic, traditional look or something more modern and minimalist, there's a bay window design out there for everyone. So go ahead, let the sun shine in, enjoy those panoramic views, and create a space that's uniquely yours.